Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. In this video we will learn about the paging with Hibernate. So the paging useful when you want to get a part of data in your table. For example, we have many records inside a table named product here, and you want to create a paging for this when you load it. So for example, in the page 1 you can get 4 records, and then for the page 2 you get the next 4 records, and so on until the end. So let's do the example. Yeah, and you can see we have a script, an SQL script here. You can get it on this screen because it's very short, so I recommend that you type in it into your SQL workbench and run it. But please careful about the create a database. Okay, so this must be the same because we need this in the last video, so we need to keep it the same. Alright, so after you create successfully the database, you go to the IntelliJ IDEA and create something. Alright, first I will close all the tab, and then in the entity, now we have a new entity, so we need to create a new one. You can new Java class and put the name product here, and let's configuration for this product. The first, this is the entity, right? And then you need to put a table with the name also product, right? And then we have ID, right? We have our ID, and this ID is a primary key, so you need to put the ID annotation, and then you need to put the generated value because it's the auto increment in SQL, so you need to put it auto increment strategy equal generated value identity, and the last one is column name equal ID, and after that we have another field, a string that is name, and we also put the column for it with the name. Alright, don't forget to put all getter and setter for this class for all the fields in here. Alright, so after we finish to create the entity, you can go to the repository and now copy the existing one and pass to change it to the product repository. And inside this, we just remove all the thing, all the all the method. Just keep the just keep this one. Not this, also not this. Alright, just keep this one and just change it to return the product instead. And in here we change to get on product, and here we change to get from product, and here product. Alright, and because we used a product now, so we need to add it into an annotation, right? Go to the Hibernate util and add annotated for the product class. Alright, and then we can go to the app. No, not go to the first, because now we not only get all of records inside the product table, right? We don't do that, but we create the pagination for this. So we change it to get product, with paging. Alright, and we need to get some parameter for this. For example, we need the page, and we also need the size of the page. For example, you want to get 4 items every time, you can put 4 here. And inside the query, after you create a query with the product, you need to create an offset equal the page -1 multiply with size, and we need to create a limit equal the size. All right, and then we will set all these. Set first result with the offset, and then we set the limit, set the maximum results with the limit. Alright, so in here you can see we have the offset. So what is this? The offsets mean that the first record that you start to get. For example, we have the size here is 1, for example. So if 1 minus 1 is 0, and the offset now is 0. So that means you will get from the first one here, right? You will get the first one here, and the limit is equal to size. For example, we have 4, so we will get 4 items from the first one. And then if you put the page is 2, now the operation here is 1, and multiply with size is 4. Now we have its offset 4, so that means you will get from the index 4 here, and then more 4 items from this index. Alright, I believe that you can understand here, very easy, right? Alright, so now let's go to the app and check the code. We create the product repository equal new product repository, and then we create the list of product equal repository get with paging. For example, now I put the page is 1, and the size is 4, and then I will print all the item into the console. For example, I can print, first I need to define the product and through all the items inside the product list, and here I will print the ID of the product, right? Product get ID, and then is the name, product get name. Alright, so let's run it to see. Alright, you can see here we have 4 items from the ID 1 to the ID 4. Okay, so now let's change it to the page 2 to see what happened from the result. Okay, now we have a new 4 item from the ID 5 like this. Okay, it's very easy, right? And if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. That makes me very happy. Alright, thank you and see you in the next one.